Flamingos aren't actually pink. They're actually white. Their pink coloring comes from their food, the microscopic algae that the shrimp they eat feed on. If they don't get enough of these algae, they lose their coloring. They are found all over the world. Flamingos are found in North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Europe. That's almost every continent. Flamingo populations are currently pretty healthy, and because of that, they aren't endangered. Hooray! They make nests out of mud. Flamingos are water birds. They live and feed by the water, and they make their nests there too. So it's only natural that they make them out of the most abundant substance found by water, mud. They're muddy. Nests are home to one egg per year, which both parents take it in turns to look after. They eat upside down. If you see a flamingo feeding, you might notice that they tip their heads upside down. This is because they need to filter their food out of the water. The beak acts a bit like a sieve and gets rid of all the water and extra bits they don't want to eat. They can sleep standing on one leg. Nobody knows why flamingos do this, but they're famous for it. Scientists think there might be a number of reasons why they do this: to preserve energy, staying warm, or just because it's easier. It's a mystery. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. You can also call them a colony or a stand, but flamboyance is much more fun. Other collective nouns for birds include a gaggle of geese, a murder of crows, and a kettle of swallows. There are 6 different species of flamingos. They are the Chilean flamingo, lesser flamingo, greater flamingo, Caribbean flamingo, Andean flamingo, and Puna flamingo. That's a lot of flamingos. The most common species is the lesser flamingo, which is found in Africa and Asia. Their eggs are sometimes pink. Usually they are red or orange, like a chicken egg, but occasionally if they have enough pink microbes in their diet, their egg yolks are slightly pink too. In the wild, flamingos can live for as long as 30 years, but they have been known to live up to 70 years in captivity, making them some of the world's longest living birds. Flamingos are very social animals and like to live in colonies, groups of thousands of birds. Some colonies are so big that they contain up to 1 million birds. You might wonder why flamingos have legs that bend backwards. Actually, they don't. What might look like a flamingo's knee is actually its ankle. The word flamingo comes from the Spanish word flamengo, which means flame-colored. It's probably a reference to their bright, fiery feathers. The greater flamingo, the clues in the name, can grow up to almost 6 foot tall, as much as a grown man. Lesser flamingos only grow to about half that, 3 foot.